Welcome, students. Today we will take our chapter parties and party system. So let's discuss the about political parties. A political party is a group of people who come together to contest election and hold power in government. They agree on some policies and programs for the society with a view to promote the collective good. Simple definition is there. Now, what are the components of political party? Let's take a look. A party must have the leaders who generally form the party. The second thing, active members. And the third, followers. Now discuss the function of political party. So parties generally organized to contest elections. Every party has a common view to contest election. Parties put forward different policies and programs. As we have heard about some political parties in our area, in our state. So they have the different policies and program which entice the people to join them. Third is making laws. Parties help in making laws, form and run government. That is the final aim of every political party. And if they won the election and do not have the opportunity to make the government, so they play the role of opposition. Parties shape public opinion. Parties provide people access to government machinery and welfare scheme implemented by government. Actually, the last one is the main aim. It should be the main aim of every party, every organization. So, let's take a look. Party system in India. India has a multi-party system. Uh, this topic is I will tell you about this topic later. First, we should know what is party system. So, party system refers to the typical structure of parties. So, political party system refers to the typical structure of parties within a political system. It describes the number of parties that compete effectively in a political culture. It depends on nature of society, social and regional diversities. A particular party system takes time to evolve in a country. जैसा कि हमें पता है कि हमारे यहाँ जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ हैं वो बहुत सारी हैं, लेकिन ये सिस्टम जो है मेजरली 3 टाइप्स ऑफ पार्टीज़ आर देयर. फर्स्ट इज़ वन पार्टी सिस्टम. It refers to a political framework with one or single political party forms and runs the government. एक ही पार्टी होगी जो गवर्नमेंट बनाएगी और चलाएगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन चाइना ऑल पावर्स आर वेस्टेड इन विद द कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ चाइना. जैसे एग्जांपल चाइना का है, चाइना में सिर्फ सिंगल पार्टी सिस्टम है, एक ही पार्टी है जो इलेक्शन लड़ती है, जीतती है और गवर्नमेंट बना लेती है. सेकेंड थिंग इज बाई पार्टी, वेयर देर आर टू major parties dominate voting at all levels of government. For example, the US has two-party system and the parties are Democrats and Republicans. The third is multi-party system, where there more than two parties are in the framework of political structure. A multi-party system is where many parties compete for power and government will often pass between coalition formed by different combinations of parties. This is the system that India has. Now take a look party system in India. Indian party system is unique in its own way and has always remained vibrant. The vast menu of choices in terms of political leaders or parties makes it flexible in nature. The nature of party system in India is divided into different phases which are discussed later. So there is bi-party system. ये तो सब जानते हैं कि हमारे यहाँ इतनी सारी पार्टीज़ हैं और कभी भी किसी भी पार्टी को कभी मौका मिल भी जाता है सिंगल गवर्नमेंट बनाने का, कई बार कोलिशन की गवर्नमेंट बनती है. सो टेक अ लुक बाई पार्टी सिस्टम. द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ द स्टेट्स एंड जनरल इलेक्शन we have discussed it before, so there is no need to say more about that. So as I told you that India has a multi-party system wherein the political parties are classified as, one is national party and second is state or regional party. All political parties are registered with the Election Commission of India. A special and unique election symbol is given to every registered party by the Election Commission. National Party. The criteria set by the Election Commission for the party to be recognized as national party. तो देखिए क्या कंडीशन है. A party has to win minimum of 2% of seats in Lok Sabha from at least 3 different states. टोटल लोकसभा की अगर 2% सीट्स 3 अलग अलग स्टेट से जीते हुई हो. एंड सेकेंड, द पार्टी मस्ट मैनेज टू विन 6% ऑफ द वोट्स एंड विन एट लीस्ट 4 लोकसभा सीट. या फिर जनरल इलेक्शन में 6% वोट मिले हों उसे टोटल के और कम से कम 4 लोकसभा की सीट्स अगर विनर है तो वो पार्टी नेशनल पार्टी रिकॉग्नाइज की जाएगी. सो देयर आर सम नेशनल पार्टीज इन इंडिया दैट आर द इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस INC, भारतीय जनता पार्टी BJP, बहुजन समाज पार्टी BSP, कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी CPI, कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया मार्क्सिस्ट CPIM and Nationalist Congress Party NC. The All India Trinamool Congress. The National People's Party NPP party from Meghalaya recognized as national party in June 2019. ये अभी रिसेंटली बनी है, 2 साल 3 साल हुए इसको. Now take a look which parties are called recognized as state party. The party has to win at least 3 seats or 3% of seats in state legislative assembly. Second condition is the party also has to win at least 6% of total votes and also win one Lok Sabha and two assembly seats. So that party is called state party. So India has many state parties जैसे आम आदमी पार्टी दिल्ली पंजाब, ऑल इंडिया अन्ना द्रविड़ मुनेत्र कड़गम AIADMK ये तमिलनाडु और पुडुचेरी में है, बीजू जनता दल BJD ओडिशा एंड इंडियन नेशनल लोक दल INLD हरियाणा. So these are the some detail of state and political party. I hope you could understand. So it's enough for today. Thank you.